So what are we doing today?
Oh gosh. We are gonna film. Okay. No. Can you just start over?
Yep, starting over now. Beep, beep.
Hi. We are going to frame the inside of the container today. Got a whole bunch of wood. Wait, should we go in here? Let me show you in here.
Okay,
Let's go in.
going over to the container. Do. Zeta's here with us. See,
House we go. Okay, so we did get a whole bunch of 2x3s, but these suckers are only 8 feet. And we need
oh, see, they're a little short.
to buy 6 by what? What did we get?
2x6s.
2x6s. And then we're gonna rip them because they're the height that we need, which is like 104 and 5/8. So we're gonna rip them up today and then frame the exterior walls inside and then see how we go, if we can get to the interior.
Excellent. Okay. Do you want to like do anything else? Like a dance or something? Yeah.
Nope, I feel good now.
Okay. So this is the 2x6s we have. And they're roughly 5.5 inches wide. So we'll rip those in half, which will give us the 2x3s to the length that we need. Now that we got everything ripped down to 2 5/8 width so that it'll fit in between here, now we got to set up a jig with the miter saw and cut them all the length. So we got to go 103.5. And then we'll make a count of how many we need, cut them to length. Today,
I'm out here already.
she's got her tea,
I went to you.
ready to party. We got Zeta. Where are you, Zeta? Oh, there's Zeta. We got the heater going because it's cold outside. There's the container. Booyah! But it's cold, winter day.
Okay.
So basically what we're doing, baby,
Am I going to do the pounding?
this is what it's going to look like after.
You're
We're hammering nail plates on both ends. On these little ones, these long ones, and then these semi-long ones. That's all for the framing. And the reason for the nail plates is because then we'll be able to weld those in the container, and then we'll have wood to attach our foam to, our insulating foam, and our substrate, which is going to be some sort of wood or something. Okay, does that sound good?
sounds so good.
Alright.
Who's going to screw and who's going to pound?
I think I should pound and you should screw.
Really?
It's a little hard to pound it
Okay,
because the way it is, it's weird. Okay.
I'll screw.
Hush. Wednesday. The welder's coming. So those are the little ones above the window.
So
These shorter ones are below, and then these are the main walls.
Well, explain why we decided to pivot this way. At first we were doing that jig Where is it? Do you still have it?
No,
The
I took
jig
it back.
with the 2 screws
Mm-hmm.
and screwing into like the thick corner metal piece of the container.
Yeah, I was gonna do like a pocket hole.
A scenario would be to weld them for around the window, but then we should just do them all that way. It would be faster, more stable.
Yep.
Less man hours of drilling all that stuff in there.
Yep.
And then when you discovered these plates, that was perfect.
Yep.
We were going to cut metal plates to size and grind them down and do all sorts of shit that was unnecessary.
I know I was looking
This is
for the metal blade to start cutting metal.
Right.
And I saw these in the top, they're electrical or plumbing. You use them for like nail plates there to protect pipes and electrical wire in the wall from drywall screws going through them. But they worked really good.
This should be really quick. Then all we have to do is grind probably like an inch of a
Just clean up the
section.
paint. Yep.
Take off the paint on the inside of the container so the weld can stick to raw metal. And then these are already raw, so we're good to go pretty quick.
Then we can just set them up and go zit, zit, and then you have a stud.
Yep.
Awesome. Hey, we're at the point of framing right now. Got this wall done. And basically what we're doing is those nail plates, we're welding them to the bottom and the top. Boop, boop. And that's how we're putting all the boards in. And we've got this wall completed. And Jacob's over there, he's prepping. Look at that! Jacob's here! Everything's better when Jacob's here. And now we're gonna start putting the 2x4s on this wall, on that wall, and then the sides. So we'll be putting the full pieces in. And then we'll have all the interior framing or exterior framing done, and then the interior walls. The bathroom wall right there for the shower, and a little bit of wall over there. And that'll be all the framing. Now, but Jacob can sing all he wants. Woo! We are done with the framing. Boop, see, we got all the walls behind me. And now Jacob is gonna weld the metal boxes into the ceiling for the lights and the fans. He's getting these all ready. Look, there's the metal boxes, and those are spacers because on the ceiling I'm gonna put 1.5 inch Icynene closed cell foam sheets. So it'll be 3 inches. So he's gonna make it perfect depth so that we can do that around that. We'll have 3 posts on the fan box just so it's big and tough. Show them what your welding skills, bro. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh bro, perfect.
I know, right?
Dude, it blows my mind how good of a welder you are. Lights up welded to the ceiling, and that's what you're looking like. So that's a light, that's a fan box for a fan in the middle, another light, and then that's a light for the bathroom.